All right, we're here with Matt with Neo Home Loans. He's inundated in the financing market, offering some really good tips this week on what he's seeing as commonality in our market today.
Yes, what I'm seeing right now, and I'm sure you might be feeling the same, we're a little bit of a calm before the storm. Like, this thing's really gonna take off. Homebuyer demand is about to boom, and here's why, right? Long-term mortgage rates follow the rate of inflation. The rate of inflation is measured on a 12-month average. And so each month this year, we're gonna gain data from this year, and we gotta drop off data from last year. Well, March's number that's gonna be coming out within the next week was a relatively low number. So we feel like there's gonna be a little bit of volatility with rates over the next 30 days, but mark your calendar for May 10th. That's when April's inflation reading comes out. If we look back last year, April, May, June, August, and September were massive numbers in inflation, and we're gonna be replacing those this year with relatively low inflation figures, which is gonna push inflation year over year average way down. Long-term mortgage rates are gonna follow, and it's gonna create buyer demand, right? Affordability factor is gonna go right up.
Yeah, it's only natural that that's going to happen. So are you recommending that people come in and get pre-qualified now so they can try and curb some of this frenzy that's about to happen?
That's right. So if you're even thinking about buying this year, or don't know if you're in a position where you could afford to buy, reach out, because we'd love to help. We'd love to get you set and ready to go, because with that demand, there's just such a lopsidedness with the supply end of things that you're gonna have to compete with multiple offers. So we want you well educated, very confident, and your loan set and ready. We'll get you all the way through initial underwriting, conditional loan approval, so that you can go out and compete and be the most prepared. Be able to compete ultimately with cash, right? With a closing time frame.
And I love that you guys do that. I've worked on a personal deal with you just recently. You were able to get the buyer through all of their financing requirements before we even went out and looked at houses. That's amazing. It's not something that's readily offered. So I encourage any of you, if you're interested in purchasing this year, please reach out to Matt, get pre-qualified, and let's get you on your way.